Meaning of layout.
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 Layout. The term layout generally refers to the arrangement or organization of something. It can have different specific meanings depending on the context in which it is used. For example, in graphic design, layout refers to the way elements such as text, images, and graphics are arranged on a page or screen. In manufacturing, layout refers to the physical arrangement of machinery, equipment, and materials within a production facility. Overall, layout is a broad term that describes the structure and organization of something in a given context.